Nung nag-propose sa'yo si Matt after 1 month of dating, grabe whirlwind romance to.
Sobra.
Oo. Na-shock ka ba? Ano?
Alam mo, sa totoo
Kinabahan ka ba?
Hindi. Kasi parang nung nagde-date kami and we decided na okay, sige, tayo na, committed relationship. Napag-uusapan na kaagad namin na parang, okay, in the books ba sa'yo magpakasal?
Oo.
Oo. Gusto mo ba magkaanak? Oo. 35 na ako. Ganyan. Tapos siya parang, oo. Ready ka na ba? Tapos siya parang, oo, ready na. So ako, feeling ko, kasi alam ko na pauwi siya ng Amerika. Alam ko, na-sense ko na bago siya umalis, magpo-propose to.
Ay, asyumera si ate.
Oo, pero tama naman yung assume ko, di ba?
Propose daw talaga?
At saka kasi,
Ganda mo, girl!
ito, engagement ring namin, parang family heirloom to, sing-sing to ng lola niya. Pinakita niya siya sa akin. Sabi
Ay,
niya,
kasi naman may
sinabi
paklu.
niya, if I propose to you, hindi nga if I propose to you, parang sabi lang niya, gusto mo ba itong sing-sing na to? Tapos, iba,
Kaya naman pala inassume mo.
Oo.
Nagpakita ng ganun eh.
oo. Pero yung sing-sing na yun, iba yung itsura niya, hindi siya engagement ring. Tapos sabi niya, gusto mo ba to? Ganyan. Tapos sabi,
Hindi ka ba, anong reaction mo nung pinakitaan ka ng sing-sing?
ako ba, yun nga hindi ako pinabahan. Parang, oo, maganda. Oo, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, so kung kunwari, magpo-propose ako, ito yung gagamitin ko, okay lang sa'yo? Oo.
Sinabi niya yun?
So, sinabi ko, parang mas gusto ko nga yan kasi parang from the family, ganyan. So, wala nang surprise. Surprise silang when and where.
So, nung sinabi niya yun, kinilig kang slide, ganyan.
Kinilig ako, but also, alam mo yung feeling na calm. At peace.
Galing.
Parang,
Hindi ka nagulat
Oo.
na parang, uy, 1 month pa lang tayo, tapos pinapakitaan na ako ng sising.
hindi naman. Alam mo, lahat ng tao sa paligid ko, naloka sila. Nung,
Naloka kami lahat, Diyos ko. Loka-loka kami kasi pinakikilala mo pa lang sa amin sa video call. Tapos
Oo.
biglang after
parang 2
ilang
months,
weeks,
parang
oh, Diyos ko, Lord, ay, engaged po? Ganon. Pinapakilala pa lang po.
kasi parang feeling ko,
Kasi you've known him for a long time, ganun ang pakiramdam mo.
parang ganun. Parang feeling ko, I'm safe with this person.
Yes.
At saka kasi naniniwala ako sa wisdom ng parents. And kinausap niya yung parents ko, parang he asked for my hand bago siya nag-propose sa akin. So, kung binigay ng parents ko yung blessing nila, siguro naman approve sila, no?
Sobrang green flag ni Matt. Panalo yun. Oo.
Ayun, tapos a week after that, ayun, nag-propose siya. Nung nandun kami sa Quezon. So parang yung dati, natatakot akong gawin dahil feeling ko, ma-offend ko yung, not necessarily a partner, pwedeng parent, pwedeng friend. Pero siya, pinakita niya na hindi naman pala dapat ganun. Parang I don't have to be scared to do this dahil maintindihan niya. He would know how to handle it.
I-video call ba natin si Matt? At tanungin na lang natin si Matt.
Tingnan natin kung buhay
Tingnan
pa
natin
siya.
kung buhay siya ngayon.
Tingnan natin kung alive pa siya. Ay, ang pangit ng service. Hi po, sir.
Ay po, sir. Ano bang tawagan niyo?
Babe.
Babe.
Oh, wait lang. I'm gonna, you met si Ate Cara before, di ba, sa video call. She's here na. She's interviewing me.
Hi, babe. Naki-babe talaga.
Hello po.
Hi, Matt. Mav told me you said something to her on your first date. You're looking for someone who can trigger your trauma but heal you at the same time. Did you really say that?
Yeah.
And what does that mean?
Wow, that's a deep conversation for midnight. I'll try to explain that. Because feeling is like as we grow up in life, sometimes you carry with you a little bit of trauma, and you carry with you a lot of that. You have to decide how do you want to deal with that. And I think in today's society, it's really easy to kind of just push it off and ignore it. Being herself, it exposed some things in myself. I was like, you know what? I don't think that this is really her. I think this is really a me thing, and you know, I need to be honest with her about how I feel, and I need to, you know, be vulnerable about that. And you know, she was kind enough to listen to, you know, where I was coming from, and be reassuring and not judgmental. And it was one of those things that was really nice to experience in real life.
How nice. I thought you were gonna say Mav was traumatic for you. Joke.
Oo rin. Hoy, ano sabi mo? Sabi niya, wow!
Oh, babe, I love you. Yeah, you're perfect.
Sabi niya, you're perfect.
Blink twice.
Parang
under the
terrified yung eyes eh. Are you coming back to the Philippines and gonna be living here permanently?
Plan after that is for me to be living there, primarily, indefinitely, permanently. Yeah, I'll be there for a while, I think.
Thank you, Matt, and thank you for loving our dear friend Mav. She deserves all the best, and you're a walking green flag.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank
Oh
you.
yeah, I said so many nice things.
I'm blessed to have met her. So.
Thank you.
Good night. I'll text you mamaya.
Alright, good night. I love you.
Okay, love you. Bye-bye. Huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa kahit na sabihin ng mga tao parang tumatanda ka na. Kapag merong inilaan para sa'yo ang Diyos, ibibigay niya yun sa'yo. At hanggat hindi mo sinusurrender sa Diyos yung kung ano man yung mga alam mo nang
Totoo.
hindi mo dapat hinuhold on
Totoo
to,
yan.
hindi niya ibibigay yung para sa'yo talaga.
At saka, huwag ibaba ang sarili. Kasi nilikha ka ng Panginoon beautifully. You are beautiful and you deserve only the best. Do not settle. Tapos, huwag ding pipilitin. Hindi ka mauubusan.
Oo, totoo.
Huwag padalos-dalos, guys. Matutong sumugal, pero pakinggan ng puso.